and voices sung, together we belong. The gates in every side, and hope as our lives, today we rise, proud and free, to shape our destiny. Welcome, dear leaders, shining bright, guiding us with truth and light. With every promise that you made, a better world will create. Welcome, dear leaders, brave and true. All our hopes are resting in you. With pride and honor, we all say. Welcome on this special day. Welcome on this special day. Welcome